Today we will discuss what is YouTube automation and how it works. Before we start, if you are new on my channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell icon for upcoming videos notification. I hope these videos will help you in passive income. Now back to topic. Today we will be talking about what is YouTube automation, how it works and how you can use it to build a profitable online business. I will also give you actionable steps and free resources at the end of this video that you can start your YouTube automation business today. And if you have any additional questions regarding YouTube automation, feel free if you submit them in the comments down below, as I will try to reply all of them as soon as possible. Anyways, let's begin with what is actually YouTube automation. YouTube. It is a way of running your YouTube channel as a business owner and not as a creator. Running a faceless YouTube automation business means that you are running your channels without actually showing your face in any of these videos and without actually recording anything with the camera. I will explain how all of that works in a second, but first of all, as you probably already know, a lot of different creators on YouTube make a lot of money from their channels. I mean, if you look at Mr. Beast for example, his YouTube channel generates approximately $100 million a year, or Ryan from Ryan Boys allegedly made hundreds of millions of dollars before even turning 10 years old. So it's not a secret that you can build a profitable online business with YouTube, but you don't necessarily have to be recording yourself all day long. In fact, you can run your YouTube automation channels completely anonymously by following the 5 content element steps. The first content element is doing the research and finding great video topic and video title. The second element and the second step would be actually writing the script or outlining the video. In most of the cases you would write a script on a piece of paper, or you would write a script on a document. On a blank document. Step number 3, or the element number 3, would be recording the voiceover for your video, which basically means reading the script into the microphone and just getting audio for that video. Element number 4 are visuals that will show up on the screen like actual video editing, and element number 5 is a thumbnail for that video. That small image that you click on when you watch some video on YouTube, and some of the examples of YouTube automation channels could be brainy. If you open up any of their videos, you will notice that the creator of the channel is not showing their face and they didn't film these clips themselves. There's only a voiceover in the background and stock footage as visuals, yet according to Social Blade that these channels make thousands of dollars. Now before we talk about how you can actually make money with YouTube automation, there are 2 ways that you can actually create content. Following those 5 elements that we talked about previously. The first option is to do everything yourself. The first option is to go out there and write the script yourself, to go out there and record the voiceover yourself. You know, pull up a microphone and record and read the script and record the voiceover yourself. Then you will also edit the video yourself, and you will create a thumbnail yourself, and you will publish the video yourself. The second option is something that I personally prefer a lot more, and that is to outsource video production process to you freelancers and Fiverr and not work. So you can just focus on growing the business and making more money over your YouTube channel. You can pay someone in the Fiverr to write the script for you. You can pay someone in Fiverr to record the voiceover. You can pay someone to edit the video and pay someone to create a thumbnail. Then once you have videos created, there are over 10 different ways that you can actually monetize your faceless YouTube automation channel. You can earn odd revenue from ads showing up on your videos if your channel has been approved into the partner program, which is something that we'll talk about later on. You can make money from affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, selling your own physical or digital products through print, on demand, super chat, memberships, and much more. And honestly, YouTube automation is like real estate, but 1,000 times better, because videos that you publish today are gonna stay on YouTube forever, and YouTube can keep recommending those videos for years to come. So even if you published the video 5 years ago and through this day is still getting views, you could still be making money off of that video. Each video you publish to you, if you basically becomes like a piece of your real estate that can generate income times and times again. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials like this.